Welcome to our guide on referring friends on DraftKings. Let's dive into how you can start earning rewards today. Referring a friend not only helps them discover a great platform, but also unlocks benefits for you both. From bonuses to free bets, the rewards add up. To get started, open your DraftKings app and navigate to the account settings. Here, you'll find your unique referral link ready for sharing. Follow these simple steps. Copy your referral link, send it to your friend via text or email, and wait for them to sign up. Your friend will need to click the link, create their account, and deposit at least $5 to qualify for the bonus. Simple enough, right? Here's how the bonuses stack up. For every friend who signs up and meets the criteria, you both earn a cash bonus or free bets. Maximize your earnings by reaching out to active sports fans, sharing your experiences, and encouraging them to join in on the fun. Have questions? Understand common concerns like, how do I track my referrals? Or what if my friend already has an account? Let's clarify these. Now that you know the ins and outs, it's time to start referring. Share the joy of DraftKings with your friends and earn while you do it.